Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A8 headlight. This process requires careful attention to detail and the right tools to ensure a smooth operation. We will cover everything from initial safety precautions to the final steps of detaching the unit. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to perform this task efficiently and safely. Before starting, safety is paramount. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery ground cable to prevent electrical issues. Next, gather your essential tools. A 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and some plastic trim removal tools will be very helpful. Having a clean and well-lit area will make the entire process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's get to the removal. First, you will need to carefully remove the front bumper cover, as this provides full access to the headlight's mounting points. Once the bumper is off, locate and unscrew the 6 bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. After the bolts are removed, gently disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the headlight unit. With the bolts and connectors free, you can now carefully slide the entire headlight assembly forward and out of its housing. Take your time to avoid scratching any paint or damaging the unit. Once removed, inspect both the headlight and the vehicle's mounting area. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all 6 bolts are tightened and electrical connections are firmly secured before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.